Welcome to ABC Kids channel.
I like to plant flowers.
I like to plant flowers.
I like to eat apples.
I like to eat apples.
I like to draw pictures.
I like to draw pictures.
I like to play with my friend.
I like to play with my friend.
I like to eat banana.
I like to eat banana.
I like to read books.
I like to read books.
I like to ride my bike.
I like to ride my bike.
I like to watch cartoons.
I like to watch cartoons.
I like to play with my toys.
I like to play with my toys.
I like to play soccer.
I like to play soccer.
I like to play with my dog.
I like to play with my dog.
I like to build with blocks.
I like to build with blocks.
I like to go to school.
I like to go to school.
I like to sing songs.
I like to sing songs.
I like to listen to music.
I like to listen to music.
I like to go on trips.
I like to go on trips.
I like to help my mom.
I like to help my mom.
I like to climb trees.
I like to climb trees.
I like to eat pizza.
I like to eat pizza.
I like to play tag.
I like to play tag.
I like to visit my grandparents.
I like to visit my grandparents.
I like to catch butterfly.
I like to catch butterfly.
I like to play hide-seek.
I like to play hide-seek.
I like to bake cookies.
I like to bake cookies.
I like to go to the beach.
I like to go to the beach.
I like to fly kite.
I like to fly kite.
I like to eat chocolate.
I like to eat chocolate.
I like to play with my cat.
I like to play with my cat.
I like to go shopping.
I like to go shopping.
I like to go fishing.
I like to go fishing.
I like to play video games.
I like to play video games.
I like to play basketball.
I like to play basketball.
I like to eat strawberries.
I like to eat strawberries.
I like to eat popcorn.
I like to eat popcorn.
I like to visit the zoo.
I I like to visit the zoo.
I like to spend time with my family.
I like to spend time with my family.
I like to jump rope.
I like to jump rope.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids learning videos, subscribe ABC Kids channel.